Okay, Assalamualaikum and good morning everyone. How are you today? I hope you are ready to learn English with Mr. Fizri. Okay, so today is Sunday. 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 Ahad. Hari ini Ahad. Sunday. Okay, the date is 23rd May 2021. 23 hari bulan 5, 2021. The subject is English for one Mutiara. Okay, so today we want to do something different. Okay, we will use scissors today. Okay, kita nak guna hari ni kita nak guna scissors, gunting. Alright. But before that, okay, as usual, we will use your module. Kita guna module. Okay, page 43. Okay, muka surat 43. 43. Okay, so this one actually we have learned before. Kita dah belajar sebelum ni. Okay, long train. Long train. Kereta api panjang. Long is panjang. Train is kereta api. Okay. Short train. Short train. Short pendek. Train kereta api. Kereta api pendek. Okay. Big ball. Big ball. Big ball. Big besar. Ball bola. Bola yang besar. Small ball. Small ball. Small kecil. Ball bola. Bola yang kecil. Okay. Beautiful doll. Beautiful doll. Beautiful doll. Beautiful cantik. Doll anak patung. Anak patung yang cantik. Ugly doll. Ugly doll. Ugly buruk. Doll anak patung. Anak patung yang buruk. New car. New car. New baru. Car kereta. Kereta baru. Old car. Old car. Old lama. Car kereta. Kereta yang lama. So after you have understand this, okay, you have to cut pictures. Okay, awak kena potong gambar. Okay. Dalam modul juga page 105. Okay, muka surat 105. Okay, please use scissors. Gunakan scissors, gunting. Okay. But please be careful. Sila minta tolong your father or your mother ataupun your brother or your sister. Minta tolong orang yang lebih tua untuk potongkan. Ataupun awak boleh potong sendiri tapi dengan berhati-hati slowly. Okay, so boleh potong, you cut this. Okay, tak perlu ikut tepi ni pun macam susah kan. So you just cut like this, buat petak ke, bulat, circle ke, square ke. Okay, you cut this and then okay ni gambar train. Okay, train ni dia panjang panjang, nampak ni, berlipat-lipat. And then nampaklah kat sini long train. Okay, very easy, sangat senang. And then this is the doll. Okay, nampak gambar doll ni. Ball. Doll juga. This is a doll. This is a car. This is a train. This is a car also. Okay. Very easy, sangat senang. Okay, before you cut the pictures, please color. Okay, color dulu. And then color after you have colored, and then you cut the picture. Color dulu, warna dulu, baru potong. So nampak lebih menarik lah hasil kerja awak nanti. Okay, sangat senang, very easy. So I hope you can do this. Any problem you can WhatsApp me. Okay, so that's all for today. So thank you.